Sino po itong grupo na to para pasalamatan natin?
Ang pinakamasipag po sa amin, si Mrs. Grace Austria Flores.
Kaya palakpakan mo natin, Miss Grace.
Sa kanya, siya po ang aming amigang pinakamasipag, followed by Mrs. Leticia Patat, at saka si Ma'am Darmy Yangdox. Ito po yung tatlong pinakamasipag.
Ayun.
Kami po ay mga chuchuachu.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Batch 60.
For a moment, please. A very big audience. Let's give it a chance para sa aming president, ang una ng aming batch, 1960, for a small or short message. Mr. Engineer Arthur Morales.
Friends, guests, fellow alumni and former teachers of Binangonan Catholic High School, now the Binangonan Catholic College, pleasant evening to you all. When Grace Austria Flores asked me to speak in tonight's homecoming, I was quite humbled, but actually more stunned. I thought, why me? Perhaps the criteria of the invitation was the beer belly size. I hope not. Marami naman dito ngayon ang kasing laki ko na rin. Pero masaya ako at kahit tayo ay uugod-ugod na, ay naglalakihan kahit marami ng wrinkles sa mga noo natin, marami pa rin sa atin ang dumano ngayong gabi. 50 years. Matagal na panahon, but in reality, it doesn't seem to be too far back in time. It was not only recently when we left the corridors of this institution, and through the years, as well as through the compelling changes in our lives and bodies, we can all consider ourselves successful. It was our Catholic upbringing that molded us into who we are now, constantly trying to be better than who we were when we first walked out of the gates of the BCHS. During school reunions like this, we reminisce the era when we were growing up and learning to enjoy what was available because we all did not have money. We had no cell phones and computers, but we learned through our teachers and freely through physical interaction with each other. Tayo naglalaro ng ating mga preso, nagjojolan, at nagbabarkadahan. All these we owe to our beloved principal and teachers who kept the Holy School running. Without their guidance, we wouldn't be who we are today. We may have somewhat feared them, but we know them as a friend that we can trust. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank following, Mrs. Natividad Pata, Mrs. Rosalina Tasso, Mrs. Marciana Santos, Mr. Ricardo Alvarez, and most especially to our principal, Ms. Herminia C. Manuel. To the class of 5960, many thanks for the memories and experience shared. Even if there are only a few of us here, we had fully support of our other classmates who could not make it tonight. Even after 50 years, they still keep the flames ablaze as children of the BCHS. And is still looking forward to the 75th year, as the Silver Jubilarian said, looking young at 25. So, to the batch 1960, we are looking young at 75. Mabuhay to the alumni of the BCHS.